This is why you need to listen closely at night. Frogs have a story to tell. Alright, picture this. It's a warm summer night. You're outside, and suddenly you hear it, the loud croaking of frogs. So why do they croak so loudly at night? It's all about romance and territory. Male frogs croak to attract females and to warn other males to stay away. Each species has its own unique croak, kind of like a fingerprint. And guess what? The louder the croak, the healthier the frog. This sound is their way of saying, hey, I'm strong and ready to mate. So next time you hear that nightly symphony, you'll know it's a frog love story unfolding. Hit that like button if you love nature's little mysteries and subscribe for more cool facts.